think you moved on way too quickly. I think you meant way more to me. I've been falling out of line. Thought we was healing, thought we was taking our time. Did you find someone else to fill the time? If you did, that's fine. I guess I just thought that there would be some residue. Couldn't imagine that anyone could fill your shoes. I let you try with you. Guess it's time to make my move. I think you moved on way too quickly. I guess you meant way more to me. I think you moved on way too quickly. Guess you meant way more to me. Yeah, I would've never let you go if you didn't give me reasons. See, I was frozen, let it go, had to change with the seasons.